Jai Hind, and this video will update you about the Operation Confusion led by Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, today, gather around today. Team MND, the futurists, bring you an exclusive sneak peek into the Academy of Strategic Miscommunication, featuring none other than the top graduates of verbal gymnastics, our dear neighbors, Pakistan. The latest thesis. Now let's set the stage. India carries out a precise, confident operation named Sindoor. Meanwhile, Pakistan's media, defense analysts, who suspiciously all look like retired cricket commentators and intelligence outlets, read TikTok influencers with flags in the background. Swing into action. Now, the first reaction, it never happened. The second reaction was, if it did happen, we allowed it as a gesture of peace. The third reaction, okay, fine, it happened, but actually, we did it. We just let India take credit, for international reputation management. Now, the fourth reaction is on my Instagram handle that it was not a success. This is not just misinformation, this is misinformation couture. Tailor stitched lies for every possible audience, local, global, imaginary. When the visual surfaces, according to Pakistan's PR wing, those were actually actors shooting for a movie. Bollywood is so powerful, apparently, it's now influencing the ground realities in Rawalpindi. But wait, it gets better. There's a sudden expert panel discussion on their primetime news. Four guys in the same room, echoing each other louder. What were their analysis? India was provoked by a bird, and Operation Sindoor was just a fireworks test gone wrong. Some even suggested that the Indian army was trying to plant Sindoor to mark territory like its holy meats monopoly. Now, the truth is they couldn't handle the silence. No chest thumping, no leaks, no 100 tweets, threads from Indian defense, just silence and swift action. And that silence deafening. It echoed through every corridor where propaganda used to dance. So they filled the void with what they do best: storytelling, myth making, a national pastime second only to denying facts. But here's the thing about the strategic operations, they're not meant for TRPs or breaking news scrolls. They're meant to deliver results, and Operation Sindoor did. While Pakistan scrambled for the script, India moved on to the next act. So, to our friends across the border, bravo. We have once again managed turn a military embarrassment into a fictional blockbuster. Hollywood should take down the nose from you people. Maybe next time, instead of spreading misinformation, try spreading some introspection. Still, if Pakistani or any person staying in India has doubts, a quick snapshot about Operation Sindoor. Date launched 12th May 2025. Location high altitude zones behind Pahalgam, Anantnag district, Jammu and Kashmir. Forces involved, I'm not going to reveal, although they are available on the open sources as well. There are many UAV surveillance teams also. Codename Sindoor, objective to focus upon: to identify and dismantle entrenched terror hubs operating beyond the Pahalgam Valley. Now, what was the mission overview? Operation Sindoor was a covert tactical operation spearheaded by Indian Armed Forces, activated following credible multi-agency intelligence inputs about foreign-backed terror activity in the upper reaches of the Lidder Valley. Now, tactics and execution. Phase 1, UAV and human based surveillance over 48 hours to map cave hideouts and involvement trails. Phase 2, nighttime heliborne in the insertion of special forces for high altitude ingress. Then phase 3, encirclement and targeted neutralization using silenced weaponry and minimal impact munitions. Outcome 7, high value militants neutralized, captured alive, 2 supply bases destroyed, no civilian casualties. Command lead, Northern Command Headquarters, in coordination with the respective core support units, Indian Air Force for aerial, recce and logistics, IB and RAW for pre-op intel. While some in Pakistan and a few voices within India question the success of Operation Sindoor, the facts speak for themselves. The mission's core objective was clear: to neutralize the terror epicenters responsible for the Pahalgam attack. The Indian Armed Forces executed this with precision and success, and reality I will elaborate in detail. Meanwhile, Pakistan continues to focus on rebuilding its nuclear arsenal, reportedly with some covert assistance from Egypt and other unnamed international actors, diverting attention from the escalating instability within its own borders. I hope you find this small video informative. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. I will see you in the next video. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.